Next very interesting topic is the isomerism in coordination compound. The isomers, the definition of isomers is that the coordination compound or those coordination compound which are having same chemical formula but show different physical and chemical properties. The compounds which are having same chemical formula but different physical and chemical properties are called as isomers. And the phenomena to show the to form the isomers is called as isomerism. For example, we are having two complex of cobalt metal, that is CONH3 whole 5 Br and SO4 ligand is present outside the coordination sphere. Supposed to be this is our first compound, and second coordination complex is CONH3 5 SO4 ligand present in the coordination sphere and Br ligand is present outside the coordination sphere. These are the two transition metal complex. If we form the solution of these two complex, first one is this complex is the that is violet red in color. First complex is the violet red in color and the second complex is the red in color. And as we know that the color is the physical property, so because both these compound metal complex having different colors, so their physical properties is different. If we dissolve the first complex in water, it will form as CONH3 5 Br and SO4 2 negative will separate out from this coordination sphere because SO4 2 negative is present outside the coordination sphere and it satisfy the primary valency. And because this SO4 2 negative having 2 negative charge, so it will give plus 2 charge on the coordination sphere. In the first complex there is a sulfate ion in free state, and if we form the solution of this another complex, in this another complex CONH3 5 SO4, the SO4 is present inside the coordination sphere and Br negative will be outside the coordination sphere. So in first complex there are Br negative ion and in first complex there is SO4 2 negative ion. If we add barium chloride solution in this first complex solution, then this barium chloride will react with SO4 2 negative to form white precipitate of barium sulfate. Means this first complex solution react with the barium chloride, and if we add silver nitrate solution in first solution, so there will be no change. Means this first solution react with barium chloride but do not react with the AgNO3 solution. In the similar manner, if we add barium sulfate in the second solution, then there will be no reaction. Barium chloride solution, there will be no precipitate formation. If we add AgNO3 solution, it will form yellow precipitate of AgBr. It means the second complex react with the AgNO3 and first complex react with the BaCl2. It means both these complex also having different chemical properties. So both are isomers of each other because they are having same chemical formula, both having one CO metal, 5 NH3, 1 Br and 1 SO4 ligand. Next is the type of isomerism. The isomerism is mainly of two types. The first one is the structural isomerism and second one is the stereoisomerism. The structural isomerism, the compounds which are having same chemical formula but different structure are called as structural isomers. Same chemical formula but different structures are called as structural isomers of each other, and the phenomenon is called as structural isomerism. Structural isomerism is further of 6 types. That is, number one is ionization isomerism. The second type is the hydrate isomerism, that is hydrate isomerism. And the third type is linkage isomerism, that is linkage isomerism. And fourth type is coordination isomerism, that is coordination isomerism. And fifth type is that is polymerization isomerism. Polymerization isomerism. And finally the sixth one is the coordination position isomerism. Coordination position isomerism. The stereoisomers are further of two types, that is geometrical isomers or optical isomers. Geometrical isomers are those isomers which are having same chemical formula, but a different arrangement of ligand in 3D space. Different arrangement of in 3D space. The arrangement of ligand in 3D space is also called as geometry. So I can say the compounds which are having same chemical formula but a different geometry are also called as geometrical isomers, and the phenomena is called as geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism further we will study, that is cis and trans, cis and trans isomerism, meridional and facial isomerism. Meridional is also called as mer isomers and facial is also called as fac isomers. Next is the optical isomerism. Optical isomers are those isomers which are having same chemical formula, but they rotates plane polarized light in equal but opposite direction are called as optical isomers. The optical isomers are further of two types, that is dextrorotatory. Those optical isomers which rotates the plane polarized light in right hand side direction are called as dextrorotatory. They are also represented as small d or with the plus sign. Levorotatory are those isomers which rotates the plane polarized light into left hand side direction. They are also represented as small l, or I can say with the minus sign.